Bu, mereka pengen belajar tentang culture sini.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
너무 이쁘다.
It's gorgeous, man. 와.
Dura, this cashew also. 친구네 집으로 가고 있어요. 집에서 홈 비즈니스를 하신다고 하는데 제가 좀 촬영 좀 하고 싶다고 하니까 흔쾌히 허락해 주셔가지고 이런 홈 비즈니스를.
Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. 이렇게 케이터링
Makasih ya.
일을 한다고 합니다. 집에서 이렇게 만들어가지고 배달을 한다고. Nice. So please tell me if you need any help.
Iyalah wong senenganmu mek pasti.
리구랭이구나. 오리지널 리구랭? I think we got really similar taste, Indonesian and Korean. So everything is really familiar.
Sometimes my friends make me kimchi. She make kimchi for me. Make danmuji for me. She sell Korean food like tteokbokki,
Oh.
japchae.
It's
Bibimbap.
sell?
Yeah,
Here.
yeah, online.
Okay. Let's go sometimes. Let's go try.
See.
Yeah. Yeah, that looks really cool. Chicken? Indonesian
Chicken.
fried
Indonesian.
chicken.
I know one drama.
Satay.
It's little bit sweet.
Yeah. So we are going to elementary school for delivery.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very tumpang.
How many students are there in one class? In each class, I mean.
Well, I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay.
Maybe.
So is the population raising in your country or?
Yeah, of course. After COVID, there's a lot of pregnant women.
Why? Why do you
Because
think so?
they don't have work and they have nothing to do than making baby.
Same thing happened, but why is the opposite way in my country?
Kok kata dia aku kena keronjangan terus ya. Sesuk iki lewat lulus apa?
자, 배달 장소에 도착했습니다.
Untuk burat nak kualitas.
Ya Bu, mereka pengen belajar tentang culture sini. Bu, yang degan.
Okay, Safu. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh, that looks nice.
Attraction. Attraction, like.
Okay, so let me interview a little about your work. All right. How's your business going these days?
Well,
Yeah.
actually it goes beyond my prediction.
Ah, yeah.
Because I'm such a lucky girl.
Nice. Yeah.
No, I think like beside you need to have skill, you have to have skill to approach people,
Promote. Yeah.
to networking. Like we
Oh.
never know where the money come from.
Right.
Like, we need to build our relationship with everyone.
Right.
Like with you, I don't know what's gonna happen.
Yeah. Who knows?
Next time,
Who knows?
I don't know.
Yeah. Who knows?
It happen, COVID happen, but if we just blaming each other, nothing gonna happen.
Yeah.
But
True.
the time we see chance from it, just like this,
Mm-hmm.
who never knows. But if we just complaining, we get nothing, right? There must be something
Yeah.
in the.
She makes Korean food.
Oh, you not? I told you yeah. I told you this morning.
My friend who sell Korean food.
But you said it was he.
She.
Okay.
Really?
I thought. Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You speak Korean language.
No, I can't speak Korean.
So you can cook Korean food?
Oh, some of them.
Ah, what kind of?
I love
Oh
Korean.
yeah. Dia pengen nyoba nih, dia Isa.
So do you think we have a chance to have your Korean food sometimes? Yeah, maybe.
It's surrounded by antique pieces from the ancestors of the owner.
Your friends then. Yeah.
Yeah, and my friend is in Jakarta now.
And your friend is a really famous person too then.
I guess so.
Bu Anet. So Bawa Peranakan itself is a mixed marriage between Chinese and Indonesia.
This one? Expensive picture?
Yeah.
Yang sempat dibahas di YouTube.
The
It's a
real-
YouTuber talk about this.
Is it a real picture?
Yeah.
Really?
Billion. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
really
billion.
expensive.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
Billion.
So that's the
billion.
that's a real one.
Yeah, this is the real one.
Saya kurang paham kalau yang harganya.
Tadi bilangnya nggak salah.
Iya, tapi emang ini terinspirasi dari.
Oh.
So in every corner you might see like many Apsara dancing, the appearance of Apsara everywhere. The statue, the painting, everywhere. Yeah.
Oh.
Also, to give you a small garden and this is the bathtub here.
Whoa. This was cool. Wow.
And this is the bedroom. This is me.
Wow. I thought that was a bedroom.
That's for watching.
Why the bed is too big?
Too big because it's actually this room is inspired by the prince room. So you know, it's like we have to make it bigger for the prince.
Ah, yeah. So he's got so many wives. That's why.
Can't say that.
Yeah, that makes sense.
That makes sense. Yes. Why do you like it so much, Yulan? So okay, how much is to stay here for one night?
Now it's around 16 million rupiah.
It's about $10,000.
$10,000 US dollar. $10,000 US
per
dollar.
night. That's why I said it's only like president who said
10,000.
Itu apa mas?
Yang menarik
10,000. 아이고. Okay. I just got a good energy of.
하나 둘 셋. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you, ladies. I was like, why? Why did you bring a car? Because his house is right next to it. Willan, why didn't you let me know we are going to this fancy place? I wouldn't wear like this. 제가 인도네시아의 큰 우인한 것 같습니다. 이렇게 너무도 자연스럽게 술을 마시는 분들이 있어요. 문제가 생겼어. 한 병 시키시는 줄 알았더니 한 병이 아니었어. I thought only one, but not only one. So we're gonna have one each.
You have 3
Oh gosh.
and 3.
And then this is coffee.
No.
This is coffee.
Call Abidin.
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 What's Abidin?
Wine with beer.
Ah.
Cold
Yeah.
wine and beer.
Wow.
Dingin is cold.
You mix with wine and beer and soju? Oh my god.
No, soju no.
No, we mix in.
Yeah, inside.
Cold wine beer.
커피
Ya,
소주?
seneng banget ya pokoknya setiap weekend aku akan hadir di hari Jumat dan juga Sabtu. Kalau bisa langsung ke sini. Tapi
몇 카푸치노 하나에다가 지금 소주를 갈았어요.
Senin-senin pulang kerja.
커피 일단 더위 사장 향이 나고요.
Merayakan tahun baru kurang 2 bulan lagi.
이거 내가 커피 맛 같은 냄새 되게 위험하다. 아, so dangerous. 오. You're next. You're next. Let's go. 가자. She looks so professional.
Yeah. She's a church singer.
Annyeonghaseyo. Opa, what is your name?
아저씨. 나 오빠.
Ajusi.
아저씨.
Ajusi.
아저씨 means old man.
Old man, yes. Satu lagi, apa sih kalau kakek? Harabuchi.
Not that much. A little lower than that.
Yes, I love to watch a Korean drama.
you do?
K-drama. I love K-drama. Very great stories. Sarangi.
He loves Indonesia.
Sarangi ya.
Shit.
Begitu syuli.
That's good. I like the song. Wow.
Yeah.
You want to sing now?
Yeah.
Romantic?
Come on, Ian. I bring you there.
Yeah, but
Terima
you're
kasih.
gonna force me to.
You want to sing now?
Bring me there, brother.
Okay, let's go.
Like this. No, I'm joking.
Ajusti.
Yeah.
Gue mau ya Ajusti.
Another summer day is coming down away. I'm having so long, wanna go home. I'm coming back home.
Thank you guys. 더 이상 커피 소주가 아니게 됐어요.
Cakia. Cakia.
자기야.
Yorobun, Cakia. Bukan Yobo, Yobo.
The same.
I learned Korean from a K-drama, you know.
아.
안녕하세요. Yorobun, sarangnya.
또리마카시.
Dia gak tahu apa-apa. Dehan Mingguk Manse.
아이 인도네시아 만세.
Dehan Mingguk Manse.
Ngomong Inggris ya, Bung.
Hello.
Ian from Korea.
Nice to meet you. Really? I didn't
Yes,
know that.
yes.
Ah, white chicken is for meat.
Yeah. But in other countries,
Yeah.
the genetics might be different. Maybe.
이거 그냥 인도네시아 옷이 아니라 남쪽에서 입는 옷 같아 이거. 전통 의상 같아. 마음에 드는구만. Hello. Hi.
너무 이쁘다.
It's gorgeous man. 와. 진짜.
But in fact, I was working like crazy. No one know that I was working like 20 hours a day, 16 hours a day, even 23 hours a day. They don't know, right?
라볶이. 와, so vegan 라볶이.
Vegan tteokbokki.
And then your friend runs a company, right?
Yes, right.
That's so nice.
cashew also.
Okay, okay.
Makan apa dah? To organize our ticket to India and Nepal. So we have like WBO, World Vegan Organizations International Vegan Festival.
No. 그리고 이 언니가 오토바이로 저를 데려다 준다고 하셔가지고 오토바이를 끌고 오신다고 했습니다. 겁나 멋있는 거 아니야? 겁나 반하는 거 아니야 나? Hi sister. Oh my god, you're so cool. Wow.